If this is not the most beautiful girl dinner, we're having a late night girl dinner, and some of you guys are gonna be mad, but I'm gonna do onion cups with chicken and cheese and veggies, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be absolutely divine. These are Vidalia onion cups, which somebody told me, and I'm a Georgia native, somebody said that it's actually pronounced Vidalia. News to me. All right, so out of the air fryer, I have a spicy chicken breast here. And we're just gonna cut that up. Ooh. Ooh. And in my head, I'm gonna put them inside. I was gonna make a wrap because I freaking love wraps. And then I was thinking about making potato. And then I was like, you know what? Let's just do it in the onion cups. I'm gonna put cheese down first. Oh, good God. Oh, my Lord, help me. Lord above. Whew. That's what they eat in heaven, y'all. Okay. And then a few pieces of the hot spicy chicken. Ooh, this is hot. Woo, my fingers. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. This is gonna be the most delicious thing I think I've ever had. Okay, this was a good idea, I can tell. All right, well, let's spread that chicken out. Okay, now, these are just some sweet tomatoes. Ooh. Yeah. This is gonna be so good. Okay, now, should we just do some sliced onion on top? Let's just do it. Okay. See, I was going to make a wrap, but then I was like, you know what? We're doing this. Some pickled beets. Oh, gosh. Amazing. Yes. I have some pickled onions, and I feel like that might be overkill, but also we are only here for a short time, so. These are nice and cold. Yeah. Okay, now I have a few sweet potato fries from the air fryer as well. Ooh, hot. Ooh. Louise sent me this. This is Ballymaloo mayo, and it's a delicious Irish mayo made with Irish free-range eggs and cracked black pepper. That's delish. Okay, I think all of these need a little dab of mayo. Yeah. Okay. And then for my sweet potato fries, I have this hot honey ranch. I got this at Aldi. I've never tried it, but today's the day, okay? And then I have some homemade pickled corn. I have a recipe on this in my recipes playlist, and this has been aging, okay? Just a little. Oh my God. Oh my God. If this is not the most beautiful girl dinner, oh gosh. That pepper. This is a win. Woo! That's good. This might be my favorite dinner of all time.
Oh gosh.
It's a 10.